Hey guys, welcome back again. So I hope you watched the previous video where I created an extension for the NoteVerse. So in this video, what I did is entirely change the NoteVerse design and implemented two important things in that. The one is Canvas and another is the notebook. We'll see what is uh and how it looks. Okay. So without any further, let's get started. So this is the NoteVerse. It's also deploy. You can reach out this NoteVerse uh, hyphen tau.versal.app. Okay, I'll put this in a description also. And yeah, this is how the landing page. Welcome to NoteVerse, and launch application or learn more. And inside these are the two modes we have for the notes. One is Canvas and the another is Notebook. Okay. In Canvas, you can draw, sketch, and brainstorm. And in Notebook, type structured notes line by line or in full page editor. Okay, we'll see how it looks. And we have smart design and AI ready will be coming soon. Okay. So let's launch the application. Now we have two modes. One is Canvas and the another is Notebook. So let's explore the Canvas first. Okay, now we have inside Canvas the pen, the eraser, the text. Then these are the pages. Okay, we'll check one by one. No worries. Okay, so let's do this line. Okay, so if you see, this is the pen, and this we can change the size of the pen. Then we have eraser. We can also change the size of eraser, and we have this text. We can add our text here, right? So you can also edit this one. Text is here is text like this. Okay, and you can add more pages. Let's say this is another page, and if you want to go to the previous page, then just you know this previous and this next. Okay, now we have rectangle. When you click on this shape and select whatever shape you want, and then just draw it. Isn't it awesome? Okay, and when you click on this, then it will show this delete option, then you can delete it. And also you have redo and undo options. Okay, so and there is one more delete. Okay, it is for clear page. This is our page. Let's you want to clear it, then clear it. Okay, and you can also redo. And then you have an export option. It basically exports. Okay, so let's see, this is exported, and you can zoom it. Okay, let's see this. You can zoom it, you can move it, and you can either zoom it by this. Okay, and there is one more which is for reset. Okay, so this is our canvas. I hope you liked it. Okay, now let's go and check this notebook. And again, if you go to the canvas, the data will be there. Okay, so let's check the notebook. And before checking the notebooks, I just forgot to mention that here the welcome to notemaster, it's the mistake. Okay, it should be NoteVerse. Okay, so I'll fix it because it's in development mode right now. Now let's see the notebook. In notebook we have the full page mode and the line mode. Let's see what's the line mode. You can add the lines and have your notes. Okay, etc, etc. Okay, like this way. And full page mode is nothing but showing this particular content in a text area. Okay, so yeah, it finds me helpful for taking your notes. That is why I put things like this way. Okay, and yeah, this is page one. You can add many pages and you can add many lines for the particular pages. Okay, let's see, this is previous and this is previous. You can traverse through these two buttons. Okay, and this is the notebook. Okay, if you go again, your data will be there. We are storing the particular data in a local storage. We are not storing this data to the cloud. Okay, in future we will do, but right now it's in development mode, so it will be okay. So please, if you are watching this video, please uh, go through this particular website, that is noteverse-tau.versal.app, and you can, find bugs and mention in the comment section. So yeah, this is the current progress of NoteVerse. And yep, there is one thing I forgot to mention, where you will see that the selected text, which is which is added by the web extension. So it's not implemented yet, that the particular content will be on database. Okay, and we need that content to show here. And since I changed the whole implementation, right now there is no API or the database in current application. So I have to put the database, add some authentication, and then I will put that particular feature in this. So yeah, this is for today. I hope you find this helpful and probably liked it. So yeah, thanks for watching.